Hello friends, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to showcase a new workflow automation tool. So we can automate your workflow that needs to communicate with multiple applications, just like Power Automate, right? So Power Automate is very good when you have Microsoft 365 products. You can automate all the Microsoft 365 apps in your workflow. This is also cool. Zapier is called Zapier. You can find it. You can just search for Zapier, and you will find this. This is a very cool looking tool. You can automate any of your workflow that involves multiple application. This has some 70,000 application that are available for you to automate. Uh, so I will show you that as well. So this is very cool tool, and the most important thing that I liked about it, it provides free pricing plan also. The free pricing plan, you have two steps of workflow that you can automate, and they are providing 14-day trial period where you can test out all the feature. So I will be testing out more feature and bringing that to you as much as I can. So let me show you the small flow that I created for this demo. Let me, not that one, let me go to the home page. This is the flow that I created. So what this flow would do, suppose in this case, I have a spreadsheet on my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive spreadsheet. And this basically has some fake employee data with employee ID, name, and email. So as in Power Automate's case, you might have seen that involves one trigger and multiple actions. So this is also similar. So we are defining one trigger. In this case, Google Sheet is my trigger. So I have to. I will show you. I will create these connectors to show you. I have configured. So whenever there is a changes made to my Google Sheet spreadsheet that is linked to my account, email will be sent to the ID, whatever ID. So in case I am sending to myself, and in the message body, I have just customized so that the email appears good. I will show you. So this is the sample email ID. Okay, so let me show you demo. Let me add some value, say 6666, some username. Okay, so I made some entry. So the flow will trigger now, and email will be sent. So email will be soon. I found it to be little slow, not because of free pricing plan. I'm not sure, but the email coming to my box is slow. But this works. I will show you. In the meantime, let me create a new flow, and I will show you how we can set up. So say if you want to build a similar thing where you want to track of your spreadsheet in Google account, and you want to get notified whenever someone makes changes. So you can do simply by creating a new Zap or new flow or Zap. Here they call Zap. Let me create by clicking this, create new Zap. Okay, so as I told, it takes trigger and action. Trigger would be whatever thing that would trigger the flow, right? So you can choose any of these triggers. These are the trigger available. You can see what are the triggers. You have built-in tools. You have all the apps for trigger and other Zapier product. Sorry. So in our case, let's use the Google Sheet as our trigger. So it will ask what are the trigger event. So let's say new or updated spreadsheet row. So if someone updates spreadsheet row or creates a new row, then it will be triggering. Then you have to specify which Google account. So let me specify mine. Okay, just give allow. Then you have to go to second page, that is configure. You basically have to show what is the spreadsheet that you want to re- set for this trigger. So let's use the same employee data, doesn't matter. And sheet one is nothing but your this sheet one. So you have to specify that, and then you can leave this as is. No need to configure that. That's it. Okay, your trigger is ready. Okay, that is done. Now we have to set the action. Okay, now we have the trigger. So whenever there is a change, the flow will get triggered, but it needs to do something, right? So we need to define action. What are we going to do? So again, action, you have so many things. You can send message to Slack. You can send even message to Teams. That is also there. And basically, you can do whatever you want. Just we have seen with Power Automate. So let's do the Gmail for now. We can do more complex thing in the later videos, future videos. Okay, let's take the Gmail for our action, and then whenever that happens, send email. Okay, and account. Let's specify. Okay, that account is fine. Then configure. Okay, for now I will just specify my ID itself. Let me copy everything from here to avoid typing. Basically, you can specify whatever you want. For this demo, I am just doing it. Doesn't matter. Test, flow, test, testing Zapier, maybe. And body type, you can choose HTML and plain. In this, in the flow that I created earlier, I'm using HTML and using HTML tag, but you need not do that. You can keep it plain. And if you don't want to do HTML formatting, otherwise you can keep it plain. All you need to do is click on this plus sign, because your email body should have the trigger data, right? Whenever some user made changes to the spreadsheet, so you need to capture that in the email. So you basically need to select this plus icon in the body and show what are the attribute you want to show in your email. Say, so these are the attribute coming from the trigger, right? So let me put employee ID, name, email. I can do something. I can do basic formatting. If you don't want to do HTML, I can do employee ID, uh, employee ID, then employee name. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. I'm just trying to format without any HTML code also. There are more complex things we can do. This is very cool tool. Uh, Okay, so our body is ready. Let's continue. Okay, let's test it. Let's test the step. Let's publish also. So this is publishing. Okay, that is done. So we might have received a few emails from previous app. Okay, so this is the previous email that we did. So now let's test it. Uh, let's put some random number. Okay, so now we should be receiving a couple more emails because we have two flow. So we will be using more flow. Yeah, we just received this test thing that we did, right? So this is the test we did. So since we have made changes to this, we'll receive email for that also. So we'll be getting email for that as well. So let the email come. So this was about the demo, folks. So I will come up more demo. Then, if you can see, let me go to the home page. So there are many options in this tool. So I'm yet to explore the other things, tables interfaces, and they have option to create apps also. So I will be exploring those things till my trial period ends, and I will be bringing more videos. So if you see, table is nothing but it is no code database tool that allow you to store, edit, share. It's like SharePoint list, I guess. So I will test this thing out, and we can do so many things. We can have a Microsoft Excel data also, CSV data coming from Slack, Gmail, so many things. You can do so many things. I see Canvas also, like Power App. We can build apps also. So I will do this also before my trial period runs out, and I will share this. This seems to be very interesting. So that is good. And let's see what is interface is all about. This sounds promising to me, and the most important thing, I like the pricing plan. They provide free pricing plan. I got notification, so mail might have come. Let's Okay. So we got mail. We got two mail because of we did two changes. You see, this is the formatting that we did. So we got email as well. So if you want to format the HTML way, you will get polished email like this, or otherwise you can have something like this. So it's up to you. So this is another no code low code tool, friends. So I will bring more video on this, right? Okay. Interface is nothing but forms, web pages, just like Microsoft Forms, Microsoft Power Pages. So I will explore this also. So far, so good. I like this application very much, and this is the cool thing about it. It is pricing plan. I like the pricing plan of it. So let me take you through the pricing plan. Um, Let me go to the product homepage. It has cool pricing plan. Okay, let me see the pricing plan. All right, friends. So that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. We'll meet soon. Thank you.